this video, we are going to learn, in the previous video, we were able to learn how to actually perform some mathematical operation in our Pandas DataFrame. So in this video, what we're basically going to do is how to get our mean. And when we maybe mean of two columns, we want to do both of them together, like saying this 1 plus 18 divided by 2. That's just basically simple. To do that, let me just change this to what? Mean, because we are going to move it to a new column, because if you do the mean, there must be a column that's going to hold it. So here we are going to, let me just move this because it's going to be a single I'm just going to do for that of data frame. So we're not going to do this. Okay, this is I'm not going to do it then separately. So this is like what we did here, just selecting the two columns together. So what next we are going to do is do what? We are going to do what the mean, as simple as that. I'm going to, since it's that of the column, we are going to set the axis to be what? To be 1. Okay, in case if you want to do for that of the particular row, you need to set the axis to 0. So let's run this and see what we have. This is what we have. Let me run this up. So this is what we have. 1 plus, okay, so this was from our previous video. This was it. We have 1 plus 18 divided by 2. Let me do that quick. Let me bring up my calculator. Let me run that. So we have here 1 plus what? Why did they print out with that? So we have here 1 plus what? 18. 1 plus 18, right? So it's as if saying 1 plus our 18, right? Is going to be 119. Now I'm going to divide 19 by 2 because they are total of 2. That's why I have this 9.5. So the same thing goes for all of them. So that's basically how you can get the mean. You can also do for that of the, you can do for that of logarithm. You can do for a whole lot of the other. You can also get the absolute value. You can know when we will do something like maybe 1 minus 5 is going to give us minus 4. We want to get the absolute value. We want to neglect that of the minus. So to do that, we are going to, let me do this. Okay, let me remove this. Let me go back. I'm going to use what we had earlier. This is what we had earlier, so I can say ABS. I'm going to rename this into ABS. What I'm going to do, since these two guys, okay, let me make use of minus here. So I'm going to do minus. Since these two guys, we are going to minus both of them. After I'm done minusing both of them, let me enclose them inside this, inside the quotes, meaning that I want to join after the addition at the minus the subtraction is done running. I want to do it, put them in a particular list, and then I'm going to do what dot ABS. Just simple as that. This stands for absolute. So let me run this. So this is what we have here. Let's go on front. We know that 1 minus 18 is actually minus 17, but here this is the absolute value, 17. The minus was being thrown away. We don't care about the minus. You can see how simple that was. So in the next video, we are going to do for that of all those bitwise operation and that of make use of the or, slash, and thing greater than all those comparison of data. We are going to do all those. It's not going to be then after that we are going to wrap up this of our data analysis video. So make sure to stay to the end of that video. Next video is going to be really fun. So I'll be happy to see that. Thank you for watching.